If you were this child, would you need help to develop your true potential? Shilpa Sayura is a project to help Sri Lankan rural children to reach their full potential. Remote rural children of Sri Lanka do not have access to good educational resources to come up in life. They are the beneficiaries of Shilpa Sayura. Shilpa Sayura enables ICT-based self-learning to them through the Nanasala network of Sri Lanka. eFusion, a pioneer in local language and content technology, initiated Shilpa Sayura project. ICTA eSociety Development Initiative funded the Shilpa Sayura pilot project. Shilpa Sayura is a living proof of a successful public and private sector partnership. Shilpa Sayura software and content was developed by a group of teachers, technologists and media professionals based on participative development principles. The Nanasala Telecenter network, set up to bridge the digital divide, has become the breeding ground for Shilpa Sayura. Shilpa Sayura is based on the Sinhala Unicode standard and the curriculum of National Institute of Education, as well as the content base of eFusion and Kaputa network. Shilpa Sayura enables self-learning for students through grades 6 to 11 in the Sinhala language. It helps them to prepare for O-level examinations. Shilpa Sayura content presently covers 50% of the national curriculum in math, science, Sinhala, English, art, dance, music, history, geography, environment and civic studies subjects. Shilpa Sayura was implemented at 20 locations in highest poverty areas of Hambantota, Monaragala, Matara and Sabaragamu. As a part of capacity building, telecenter staff have been trained and the community awareness is made. Dedicated teams have been allocated to provide support. Shilpa Sayura online forum and the Shilpa Sayura website facilitates participation of stakeholders dynamically. Shilpa Sayura demonstrations have been made to President Mahinda Rajapaksa, the National Institute of Education, as well as to Colombo and Moratuwa universities, including school teachers, students and ESDI focus group. The feedback has helped to improve the content and delivery. Shilpa Sayura founder Niranjan Meegammana says, based on student feedback, it is necessary to complete Shilpa Sayura content. We need to add English, Tamil, ICT, electronics, mechanics, media, business, dance and drama subjects in demand. Even though rural youth qualify to study science, often they are compelled to study arts because it is the only option available to them. Many give up hopes of higher education due to limited capacity in universities. Shilpa Sayura also planning to build capacity of Nanasala telecenters to provide e-learning to study for an online ICT degree from the University of Colombo. Shilpa Sayura is an oasis to rural students who lack resources. Although it is just a tiny sapling now, Shilpa Sayura is capable of growing into a mighty tree that will provide shelter to many. Shilpa Sayura needs expanding throughout Sri Lankan rural communities as a national project. Your support in this is very important. Shilpa Sayura is an opportunity bridge joining us, the early beneficiaries of ICT, and the rural communities needing help. In June 2007, Shilpa Sayura Technology and Cultural Festival was held in Kandiyapitawala in Mondragala district. The most remote location benefited from the project. Teachers, technologists, Nanasala operators, academies and media personnel gathered in Kandiyapitawala to learn and share knowledge with rural communities. The festival was a showcase of Shilpa Sayura success and participative development of many communities. Shilpa Sayura festival shows that culture is an essential element in taking ICT to the rural communities. Many people present that day express their feelings that Shilpa Sayura need to be a national project, a new way to make dreams of rural communities come true. We are devoted to nurturing of Shilpa Sayura so that it grows, serving the needs of the nation. Your support for Shilpa Sayura today is truly an investment for a better tomorrow of the remote children of Sri Lanka.